Welcome back, students. In this session, we will be discussing how to solve problems related to binary files. So we are moving on to the problem. So let us read the first problem. Consider the following definition of a dictionary member. Write a method in Python to write the content in a pickled file member.dat. The dictionary definition looks like this. The name of the dictionary is member. The first key value is member number, and then the second key value is name. For member number, we are supposed to get the value. For name, we are supposed to get the value. We are supposed to write this one. How to solve this particular problem? So this first problem, I am just copying the question. So this is what the question is. So for my understanding, right? So as you know, binary file, we are supposed to import one module, namely pickle, right? Then here I'm going to use a dictionary as specified in the question. So an empty dictionary, right? Then I have to open a file with open. They have given the file name as, I think we have not read the question properly. Yes, it is there. They have given it. The name of the file, what they have given is member.dat. Since I'm going to write it, I will be using WB, indicates a write binary as WB file, write binary file. This is what our syntax for opening the file in write mode. Once this is done, I have to accept two inputs. M number, which is of type integer. So I am using int input. Enter the member number. Once this is done, I am trying to get the name. Name is equal to, it is a string. I'm just using input. Enter the name. After getting the input, now see, we have to assign these values to the keys which is present in the dictionary. How to assign this thing? Member is the dictionary name. The first key value is member number. For this key, you are trying to assign this value, namely M number. The second one is member is the dictionary name. Then the key value is name. You are giving these key values in quotes and values normally. That is, the value is name itself. All right. Then what we are supposed to do? Now we have assigned it. This is not our task. We have to write this content onto a file. In order to do that one, pickle.dump is our syntax. Dump means what are you going to dump? I am going to dump the dictionary. The dictionary name is member here. Where are you going to dump? In the particular W file, WB file. What it refers? WB file refers member.dat. Now we are trying to get an input from the user. Input, do you want to continue? I'm asking the user whether you want to continue. I am giving ch equal to y. Let us see what this is doing. I am using while true there. I am going to accept input from the user continuously. So I am using while true there. If ch not equal to y, that is if he doesn't wish to continue na, just print it as binary file writing is over. Just a message so that we can come to know what it is. So this while loop is going to help me to accept data continuously, and it is trying to write it onto the file called member.dat. First time it accepts the input, then I am trying to get the choice from the user until the choice not equal to y. If I am giving y, let us see what happens. Let us run this program. Not y it is, I am giving it as no, not equal to n. Now let us save this program. Demo binary problem 1. Demo binary problem 1. Yes, it has been saved. Now let us run this problem. So member number, I am entering it as 100. Sundar. It is asking whether do you want to continue. I am giving it as yes. See, when I am giving yes, it comes out. So what should I do? It has written only one record. I am just changing it as AB, binary appender. Since I have only one record, it is not feasible. Now how to get the input continuously? 101, name is Sendil. Here I am trying to giving it as no, right? Here, what is that? 101, 102. Another name I am giving it as an input. I am giving no. 103 as an input. 104. 105. If I am giving any other input other than n, it says that binary file writing is over. All right, we have successfully done with the first problem. The data has been written onto the file. Now let us move on to the second problem. Again, for the above dictionary member, write a method in Python to search and display the details. Earlier also they have asked a method. We have not written it as a method. In this problem, we will try to write it as a method. A method to search and display the details of member based on the member number key whose value is entered by the user. The user might be present or he might not be present. Let us check. The user might be present or he might not be present. What to do in that case? How to write the program? So my program goes this way: import pickle. The content should be present. Where the content is present? The content is already present in the file called what? Member.dat. Since you are going to read, it is not necessary to mention the mode. If you want, you can mention it as RB file. Opening the member.dat as RB file, right? You are going to search. In search, either you can have two results. The data which you are searching will be present or it will not be present, right? My first step is I have to accept the input from the user. MNO, member number, input, enter the member number to be searched. This is what the user is going to enter. All right. Here's in the previous problem, we have used a dictionary. All right. The dictionary name is member. They have asked us to write a method. Def search display is our method. In this method, now we are opening the file. After opening the file, you are getting the input from the user. Once you have done with it, I am trying to use try. Let us check why it is there. Inside try, while true, till all the data is present, what are you going to do? First of all, I have to bring the data from member.dat onto a memory. I have to load the data so that I can able to do the search operation. In order to do that one, member is equal to, this is my object which is going to hold the data from the memory. How you will be loading it? Pickle dot load. Where the data is present? The data is present in the file handler RB file. All right. Now you are trying to search based on a particular key which is present in the dictionary. Member number. This is what the key is. If member number double equal to my searched MNO, in this case, what I am trying to do? In this case, I am trying to print the member, which is going to display the member number along with its name. All right. Once this is done, I am coming out of the particular while loop successfully. And there is one more case. Here the data is being found. If the data is not found, for that I am writing the exception. Except EOF error. If I have searched the entire file and if I am not able to find the M number which the user has entered, then I will be getting this message called as M number, member number not found. So we have to call, this is what the code is. We have to call the function for execution. We have to save the program now. We are saving it as demo underscore binary. What it is? Problem number 2 it is. Right? A name I have given. Now, let me enter it. I'm trying to enter as 103. A number to be searched. 103 record is present. Now, what if I run the problem one more time? I am giving 110. I have entered a data till 105. Now I am trying to enter 110, which is not present. Let us see what it gives me, or it throws me an error stating that member number is not found. This is what problem number 2. Moving on to problem number 3. For the above dictionary, write a method in Python to display its content in 2 columns. That is, it is for question number 1. For the question number 1, we have written the data onto a file. Now they are asking us to read the contents in the form of 2 columns. Let me copy this question. This is what. So I'm opening a new file. They are asking us to copy the contents in 2 columns. So they have asked to return a method and everything. The member.dat is the file name, right? Since they are trying to refer question number 1, we are proceeding as it is. Import pickle. Here you will not be having any condition. Just you are trying to read and display the contents. This problem is very simple when compared to the previous one. This is just to display. I am keeping a function name as def display. Right? Now I have to open the file with open. The file name we are going to open is member.dat, comma RB, whether we are mentioning it or not, it is not necessary. RB file, right? I have opened the file for reading. Immediately after opening, what I am supposed to do? All right. Here also I'll be using this try. Let us check why this is necessary. While true. While true, what are you going to do? You are supposed to load the data, and the data is going to get stored where? In the dictionary called member. What are you going to load? Pickle dot load is the method. Where is the data present? RB file. I am giving it as the parameter. This member is not declared or initialized. So we have done now. So once this is done, member equal to pickle.load RB file. Once this is done, print member. All right? Only this thing. So in except part, people will be asking why this except part. Let me run this program once and let us check whether it is necessary or not. Print all the data are read successfully. All right. So we are saving this program also. Demo underscore binary prob03, problem 3. One more thing we have forgotten what it is. Now we have to call the function display. Then only this program will execute. So we are saving the problem. Now we are running it. See, after successful completion of reading, it gives me a message stating that all the data are read. Now I am trying to remove this one, or I am making it as a comment. Now I am trying to indent it properly. In programming, we people should not have any doubt for what reason we are having such try exceptions and all. Whenever we are having a little bit doubt, we can test in this manner. See here, it also has read all the data. Previously, I had till member number 105 name Avinash. Here, I have read till 105. After completion, it traced back most recent last call display. Here, this is the error I have to note. End of file error ran out of input. So after reading all the things, it is showing me an error. Hence, in order to avoid this one, that particular part which I have shown before, that is this part, namely the try and except part is necessary. I hope now this particular doubt why we are trying to use end of file, why we are using try except there. See, when you notice it properly, whenever I am trying to read only, then I am using this try except. For writing, I am not using it. You can remember in that sense. So, finished some message. Finished reading. This message will do. Right? Since it has thrown error before, now we are running the same program. Yes, now it is showing without any errors. Now moving on to the last problem. So here, for the above dictionary, again, we are referring to the same dictionary. Write a method in Python to copy the contents in another file named member1.dat based on the member number whose value is above 102. That is, they are trying to copy certain records from member.dat to member1.dat. Now let us do this program. You are reading the particular file and then you are trying to copy it. All right, based on this particular thing. Here, since I'm using the same dictionary, I'm trying to copy the previous problem. All right, here, I'm changing the name as copy. So I'll be calling this one as copy. Why? Because the definition name is copy. One more thing we are supposed to do. What? I have opened the file, only one file there, but this problem requires two files. So inside this width, I am opening one more file named member1.dat. Here, remember, I have to mention the mode without file for writing as WB file. All right. Inside this one, again, this try is needed. Why? Anyhow, you are going to read it. Once completion, it will throw an error. In order to avoid that one, this is needed. While true, member equal to pickle.rb file. Here I am not printing as it is. Here I am going to specify a condition. Member, the key value is member number. member number greater than above 102. What are you going to do? You are not going to print it. Instead, you are going to write it. To write what I will do? Pickle dot dump. What are you going to dump? This particular dictionary. Where are you going to dump? In WB file. Here, once this is done, I can give a message finished writing. Right? We have to save this problem. Not problem, it is a program. Right? Demo underscore binary PROB problem 4. So this is what. Now let us run this one. See, we are getting an output, but we are not sure. See, in order to check this one, simply we can move on to the third problem. I am just trying to change this one as 1. Previously it was reading member.dat. Now I am trying to read member1.dat. Now let us reconfirm this one. See here, the output. Previously I had output starting from 100, member number 100 to 105. 101, 100, 101, 102 has been left, and the remaining members, namely Satya, Aarti and Avinash, has been copied to another file named member1.dat. Right? I hope with this set of problems, you will be clear with respect to binary files, how to solve any given problem. Thank you for the session.